We're taking a look at question number 1 from the final exam, day 1. Graph the function f of x equals 2 to the power of x minus 7 on the set of x's below. So what you should remember is this a transformation of functions, and the minus 7 means we are shifting the function down 7 units. So you can look in the graphing calculator, and we can go to the menu, and we can go to table, because we always want to graph from a table. Delete anything that may be in there. Make sure your type is on y equals, and put the function in, 2 raised to the power of x minus 7. Okay, we want to set the table. We want some negative values, and we want some positive values. So I'm going to start it with negative 5, and I'm going to go to 10. We want the step to be 1. Okay, so now if I look at my table of values, you can see at negative 5, we have the small decimal, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2. So what I am thinking, if I were to graph this function from the graph of just 2 to the x, well, I know that any number raised to the 0 power is 1. So I would start it here at 1, and I would shift it down 7 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 2 to the first power would give me 2. So from 1, I'd have to go up 1 to get 2. And then we're going to think about that. We're going to do 2 squared would be 4, so I'd have to go up 2 more. Okay, so this is now 4. 4 times 2 would give me 8. So now I'm going to go up 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 times 2 would give me 16. So from 8, I have to go up 8 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and if we look, those are the values we're going to have here in the table. Okay, these are too big. Okay, but that's the 0.49. Here's 3, 1, 2, negative 3. Okay, so as we go from here, the next value from 1, half of 1 is a half of that will be 3/4. So we can just keep going down, okay? And this would get very, very, very close to this line, but never actually touch it. So we could draw it like this and just make sure you put arrows on both sides.